Indoor plants thrive when the basics are right: proper lighting, watering and drainage, airflow, and occasional feeding. Dracaena, peace lily, and Ficus benjamina are excellent beginner-friendly plants, and that's thanks to their toughness, attractive appearance, and relatively low maintenance needs. The Dracaena, previously known as Sansevieria, includes a range of striking varieties, from tall, cane-like plants to compact tabletop options. They prefer bright, indirect light and evenly moist while draining soil. Water when the top 2 centimeters of the soil feels dry, and make sure your pot has adequate drainage. These plants tolerate occasional neglect and low humidity, but will thrive with regular misting and a gentle wipe down of their leaves. Over time, older leaves may yellow and fall. This is normal as the plant grows upwards. The peace lily, Spathiphyllum, is known for its gorgeous white blooms and lush green leaves. It's one of the few houseplants that flowers reliably indoors. It asks for water by drooping slightly and perks up again once hydrated. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and always allow excess water to drain completely. If using a decorative pot cover, remove the inner pot when watering and allow it to drip dry. Deadhead faded blooms to keep the plant looking its best and to encourage new growth. The Ficus genus is a group of leafy plants that thrives in bright, indirect light, but doesn't do well to sudden changes, drafts, shifts in light, or moving it around, as it can lead to leaf drop. To keep it healthy, maintain stable humidity levels by misting, avoid relocating it, and wipe its glossy leaves regularly to help it breathe. Repot every 2 to 3 years as it outgrows its container and roots fill the pot. By adjusting water, light, and repotting as they grow, these houseplants reward you with lush indoor greenery and will be sure to tempt you to get more indoor plants. Visit your local GCA garden centre for all your plant needs, and visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find a store near you.